And there are some mixed economic signals these days. Now, a week from tomorrow, the state's Revenue Estimating Conference will assemble its three-person group of experts to forecast how Iowa's economy is faring for the next year or so. Now, some Des Moines businesses won't wait for that. They will try to help themselves this Saturday.
Double chocolate, eggnog,
Which are excellent, apparently.
peach Bellini,
Always sells fast.
red velvet, birthday cake, and peppermint hot cocoa.
Sweets are treats, and Sammy Mila Adams hopes this Saturday provides some icing on her cupcake business.
Shopping local, supporting local is something that we here at Creme value very highly.
All year long, Creme Cupcakes not only sells its desserts, but also showcases the wares from other local businesses. Saturday, it joins neighbors in the avenues of Ingersoll and Grand along with the Roosevelt Cultural District. A day to forget a year of staffing challenges, supply chain strain, and higher costs for Iowa's small businesses. It'll be the first ever Peppermint Trail.
Many other neighborhoods around the metro do something special for the holidays, and we wanted to get in the holiday spirit too.
Creme will provide free peppermint cocoa. The other 50-plus businesses on this Peppermint Trail will offer their own holiday special. They know this is a confusing, challenging time for customers too. Now, prices are down at the pump, finally, and by a lot, nearly $2 a gallon since June. So the cheaper gas is a good thing, but are we headed toward a recession? Inflation's still too high, unemployment has gone up since last month, and businesses, of course, have to worry about survival in the times of when you can just get online and order something on Amazon, so they know they need to bring people here.
Discover some new shops, some new restaurants, support our favorite places. So I just think it's a win-win for everyone.
This inaugural Peppermint Trail lays out a path for businesses to help themselves by working together, and they'll also compete with each other for fun.
Like, hey, we'll give you guys some gingerbread houses, get as creative as you want, and like little friendly competition never hurt anybody. So it's just like, do your best.
Creme will host that gingerbread contest for the businesses. Now, the Peppermint Trail hosts events this Saturday between 10 and 4.